Hi, my name is Mike Owens. I'm with Bohannon Houston. We're augmentation with the New Mexico Department of Transportation, doing the Pete Domenici roadway through New Mexico to the Texas line. This is a $47 million job. It consists of reinforced concrete paving, which has never been done in New Mexico until this project. The total of the project is approximately 13 miles, 2 lanes in each direction, with some signalization, some upgrades for culvert, asphalt in the medians, curb and gutter, brand new curb and gutter throughout the whole project. The project began November of 2017, and it's projected to be done by the end of 2019. It's broken into three different phases. Phase 1 is approximately 8 miles. Phase 2 is approximately 1 mile. Phase 3 will be the remainder that will take us to the Texas line. In closing, I would like to thank everyone from the Highway Department, the design teams, the contractors, subcontractors. Everyone's working well together, and that always makes for a very successful project when everyone is on the same page of getting the work done in a timely manner. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ryan Tafoya, Project Manager with the NMDOT District 1, Las Cruces area. So behind us we have a reconstruction project that entails redoing the utilities, the roadways, the sidewalks, bringing up all the sidewalks to ADA requirements. We'll be redoing the landscaping, as well as bringing all of the intersections up to specifications and up to date, and also putting all new signals and all new lighting in the area. So this is a approximately $22 million project that entails approximately 1 mile of valley and about a quarter of a mile of Avenida de Macia. This project started in June of 2018. It's a 410-day project, and is scheduled to finish somewhere around the middle of January or the middle of February. Traffic has been put to two-way traffic. It has somewhat impacted the route of many residents and business owners. The department has worked very well with the business owners in trying to facilitate their access and get them the best access as possible.
Hello, I'm Dave Dawson with the NMDOT. We're here in Carlsbad, New Mexico at the brine well project that's going to be starting up. And right now we're just in preparation of offsetting where this current on-ramp to US 285, we're pushing it farther to the north because of the location of the brine well, so that traffic could be placed in a better location. Yes, we're out here right now for the safety of the traveling public, so that we are able to shift traffic from over here to my left over to the right, so that work can continue on this project. We're really proud of the work that we're doing out here in preparation for this, and we would like to thank everybody for their cooperation while this work is going on.
My name is Randy Lueras. I'm from District 2. I'm the project manager over the US 82 project, and we are here on the US 82 corridor now. This project is 31.2 miles long. Its original contract amount was $58,250,000. It is a pavement rehab project. Its initial origin has its roots in safety, to make an effort to keep the traveling public safer because it had a very high fatality rate. We are going to be widening the roadway in areas making it 4-lane and some areas making it 2-lane with a continuous left turn. We will have shoulders throughout the project. This 31.2 miles is phase A of this project, and already through the construction portion we see benefits to the traveling public. The number of accidents has decreased tremendously, and the aesthetics of the project are actually increasing as we go. This project is plagued with extremely high traffic volumes, with extreme loads, overloads, heavy loads, long loads, wide loads. We're constantly having to make concessions to get some of these loads through the project, and at the same time trying to keep all of our passenger vehicles safe. As you go through the project, you're going to notice in all areas where we're making efforts to widen the corridor, but you'll also see that we are improving drainage. We are building major structures. We are installing new culverts at turnouts. We have reduced a great number of encroachments on the corridor, again, to increase the safety factor, and it's all working. The contractor that was awarded this project was Fisher Sand and Gravel. They've been doing a fantastic job. They're very easy to work with. They're very cooperative. They have fantastic ideas on any changes that may come about. The crew that is doing the inspections and actually running this project is out of Hobbs. They're basically a young crew. They put in numerous hours and overtime, constantly staying in the spec and constantly staying in the plans. They've done a phenomenal job of inspection on this project. This project is going to prove itself to the taxpayers of this state, and it's really going to be a fantastic project for NMDOT and District 2. I look forward to its completion. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Emiliano Martinez with the NMDOT here in District 3. This is the I-25 Rio Bravo interchange project. The budget for the project is $55 million. The project started August 2017 and it'll be finished August of 2019. Currently we're in phase 3 and in phase 4. The contractors kind of mix the phases a little bit. Most of the project will be open right around March of this year, and then there'll be some small things that are finished up between March and August. Like I said, the project's $55 million. We've had about 1,000 employees from the contractor and from the NMDOT working on this project. The primary focus of the project is to increase mobility for the traveling public, including pedestrians, bicyclists, and commerce like trucks and things like that through the project. The project's actually widening the interstate and will tie into another project further south where 3 lanes in both directions, north and south, will run all the way down to 47, New Mexico 47 that is. And from there, University to Prince Street on Rio Bravo will also be widened out, and there'll be an offset single point interchange on I-25 in Rio Bravo, and that'll increase the flow through that intersection and allow for faster times to get on and off the interstate. So the project had 6 major phases on the job, from Prince Street on Rio Bravo all the way up to University on Rio Bravo. The whole roadway has been reconstructed, including 2 intersections, one at Broadway, and then the other one is actually an interchange at Rio Bravo and I-25. Those were all completely redone. The bridge over the South Diversion Channel, it's an Amafka drainage channel, was completely rebuilt in 2 phases. I-25 southbound, the bridge over Rio Bravo was completely rebuilt. Northbound I-25 over Rio Bravo was built in 2 phases. Currently, we've finished the first phase and we're completing the second phase. That'll be the final bridge on the project. We also did 2 tunnel structures. They're actually called frame structures, but we call them tunnels just for simplicity. They were both completed this year, and at the end of probably about March, we'll have them open to the northbound off-ramp, and that traffic will actually go underneath the interstate and end up on the west side of I-25. Those frame structures have been complete for a while. They're pretty awesome structures. I've never built anything like that before. They've been pretty cool to watch built. The interstate's also being completely redone for about half a mile, just over I-25 in Rio Bravo, and that's getting wrapped up pretty soon here too as well. There's also been a whole lot of drainage updates to the project. Pretty much the whole area has been redone to kind of compensate for the new footprint of the interchange and allow for better flow and drainage through the whole project. There's a lot of safety enhancements as well on the project to make this area a lot more safe for the traveling public, and you know, that's probably one of the main items on this job, is to make it more safe for people that are traveling through the South Valley and leaving the South Valley. Lastly, we'd like to say that, you know, this project has gone very well for us. The contractors have been great. We've moved right along. It's been a great project for Albuquerque and the South Valley, and you know, for the DOT, it's been great working on this and being able to see all the new things that we're doing with the DOT and kind of progressing things forward into the future. Thank you.
I'm the project manager on this project. What we're doing here is building a whole new bridge for the westbound traffic. We've done a lot of the substructure work, and today we're hanging girders. We started yesterday, we hung 5 girders. Today we're hanging 1, and we have some more girders coming in this afternoon for tomorrow placement.
My name is Lonnie Montoya. I'm a Civil Engineer Tech 2 at District 3 Hilltop Underpass. Basically inspecting it all day long, every single piece of work that's been done, starting from 6 a.m. in the morning till 5 or 6 till they get out at night. They'll be swinging this girder currently in place on our 6th section here. So a lot of engineers, a lot of iron workers, different workers, up to 40 workers at one time.
How long has this project been underway?
We started in September of 2017, hopefully finish the bridge part by April, and then the road that connects onto the bridge hopefully by August. And it will be completely open for the westbound traffic.
And what will this do for the traffic flow in this area?
For the study that they did, it's going to help out with the congestion for 550 for people from Rio Rancho and Bernalillo. Thank you guys for all your support. Right now on phase 1, we are building a 5-span bridge over the Rio Grande with steel girders. We have 6 steel girders for the whole bridge, and the bridge is approximately about 700 feet long. We had little problems with the water close to the piers near the water. We've had to run pumps 24/7 to dewater whenever we were building the piers. But other than that, everything has gone very well.
Hello, my name is David Gonzalez. I'm a project manager for District 4 in Tucumcari, New Mexico. I'm here with PIO Officer Ivan Aragon out of District 4, and we are here to show you a bridge on US 54, 4100 401R, just right at the outskirts of Logan, New Mexico. We are currently building up the columns and starting on the pier table on Pier 1. The existing bridge to my right is over 50 years old, and it's had its time, longevity of being the bridge, and now we are here going to build it with Fisher sand and gravel. Some of the unique situations on this bridge is that we have drill shafts that are down 80 feet, 87 feet with 48-inch diameter holes. Pier 2, which we're looking at over there with the crane, is 60-inch diameter holes, and they went down to 60-some feet. Few obstacles were the Brime Aquifer and the Canadian River that's here. Foundation pour on the Pier 1 was 365 yards placed at one time. Pier 2 foundation is going to take 485 yards and be poured at one time. So one of the unique situations of this bridge is a bridge of this kind has never been built in New Mexico. This is a catenary bridge being built, and it's going to be built in segments, 15-foot segments.
And they're going to be cast in place, which makes it unique. For opposed to I-40 or the big I that was built on site and then placed, this is actually going to be cast in place and built in the air. Just as you see it, it's going to be moving.
Correct.
And if I may, Joseph Quintana's with us. He's one of our inspectors, and so we'd like to introduce you to Joseph, one of our up-and-coming inspectors.
So with this, right now we're in the process of building the pier table. With that, once we get the pier table built, we'll put the two travel forms in place on each end, and we will start building do 15 feet on one side, 15 feet on the other, then back and forth until we reach the abutment 1, until we reach halfway to Pier 2.
And correct me if I'm wrong, you had said there was a drop in inches.
There's 22-inch difference between one side versus the other. It kind of goes like that, the bridge. It's kind of a super.
Yeah, it climbs from abutment 1
all the way to 2.
And that states it also has a super under as well, so it's kind of going up in the air, or up, and it's
super
at the same time. So
same
it's a
time.
pretty unique bridge.
It's pretty unique.
Yeah.
It's going to be a bridge that we can get into and walk in and check inspection-wise from the inside out. We just want to thank everyone for supporting and helping us build this kind of infrastructure for the state of New Mexico on this eastern side.
One of the things that Logan can be real proud of is because we're getting a unique and highly specialized project, and this type of work is bringing a uniqueness not only to the community, but to our inspectors, our project managers, because they've had to get certified in various areas that are very specialized to this type of work. And it's going to have historical significance, just like the old bridge has, because they're reconfiguring the whole roadway. So in saying, echoing what David said, we thank the communities, we thank the legislators, representatives that have come together to get this funding to make a difference in the area.
Thank you.